Saturday, February 15. I pray to Almighty Jesus that I have the wisdom and the communication skill to relay what I'm about to relay. This video probably going to be 2 parts. It might make sense to a few. It might not make sense to many. This is what I do. This is what I'm good at. Good at covering comets and messages. Remember, they're regarded as from the ancient as messengers, harbingers of doom, menace of the universe. I've done videos describing them, how important they were during the time of the ancients. I mean ancient. So this comet that I'm going to be covering right here, this is where it started 2 months ago, over 2 months ago. And to understand where the journey that I'm heading into, need to see this one. And I've done some others of the comet. Let's get into this and see what I could find that might help the researchers out there that are connected, and it will make sense. I guarantee you it's going to make sense to some, not all. This is where the near-death is applied. This is the gift I have. There's nobody that reads or approaches comets like I do in this entire planet. We're all gifted. I'm not trying to say I'm the one or whatever. I'm not trying to pat myself on the back or being conceited or being, I can't find a word, but you know what I mean. What I bring to the table is 1% of what's happening above. What messages are being shown from the Creator. All these stars and constellation were put there for purposes. All the history was put there for a purpose. This is why the ancient were very into looking at the stars. Here we go. This is probably going to be 2 or 3 parts. I don't know. We'll see. Now, looking at the sky to see what the brightest comet is. I follow the brightest comet in the night sky in the heavens, and it's still 2024 G3 Atlas in the constellation GRUS. And the second, believe it or not, is 29P, which is still in the constellation Leo, right by Regulus, the King Star, the Lion, the Royal Star. A3 has left the Eagle, Aquila. It's here in this right now. I'm very surprised that 29P has been having outbursts after outbursts after outbursts after outbursts. Brightens, it dims. It brightens, it dims, like a heartbeat by the heart of Regulus. And look at the number, mathematics, magnitude 11.7, coma diameter 1.7. I see the number 17, but I'm gonna focus on this one right here, GRUS, which is considered the crane, a bird. So we're gonna study this history of this constellation, see what we could what the message is being provided, or if there is a message. 10 times out of 10 there is a message in my book. So we're going to look at this. Okay, look at my star chart. Here it is, GRUS, the crane. It used to be part of Pisces, Aquarius. And just taking a look, the sun is in Aquarius, Mercury's in Aquarius, and we got Saturn in Aquarius, Venus in Pisces. So we're going to focus on this right here. That's what I'm going to focus on. And just briefly, this is 29P, right? And this is Regulus, right here where the pointer's at. So it's been there for what? Months. Let's get into this. Let's see what I see. Let's see if anything that I present makes any sense. This is what I do. I enjoy doing this. Okay, where Mars is at. Okay, it's in Gemini. And we still have Jupiter in the horn of Taurus. Let's take a look at this constellation. Remember, travel from, well, came from Lupus. Remember the journey that I came right here, and then it went this way towards Sagittarius, Capricorn, to Pisces, Aquarius. I know I'm pronouncing it wrong. Now it's here. Where it's going next, maybe the Phoenix, we'll find out. Now I'm gonna make this into a 2-parter. This is just basically an introduction. To get into these, you gotta be in tune, and I have so many interference right now that's preventing me to be in tune. So I'll come back with part 2 and see where this leads us, or leads me to, and hopefully some of this will make some sense. If not, consider this like entertainment. Until next time.